Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use the QR code scanner in Brawl Stars. All right. First one here is just go ahead and tap on your profile, tap on the QR code right here, and it will show you a QR code. Once you have it, you can just go ahead and show it to your friends near you, or you can just take a screenshot and send it to your friends in order for them to scan the QR. Now, if you don't know how to scan a QR and your friends don't know as well, go ahead and go to your friends right here, hit on Add Friends, and scan QR. All right. Another way to use the QR code is by teaming up right here. Tap on it. And as you can see, if you want to join a team, you can just scan the QR. If you want to create your own team, just tap on Create right here and tap on the QR code right here at the top. All right. Near your team code. Tap on it and the QR will show. All right. And that's basically how you use the QR code scanner in Brawl Stars. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.